What's up, you guys? It's Gio from JBL 3D. What I have here is the start of a multi-video series of me building a hypercube. This hypercube is going to be 300 by 300 by 300, and basically I got my aluminum extrusions from Zeltech, and I'll have them linked in the description if you guys are interested. There are some other YouTubers that do have codes. I'll add some codes there. If you subscribe to any of the YouTubers, you can use their code. It'll help them out and you'll get 50% off. And right now I have all the extrusions, all the brackets, and I have a bunch of the parts that I printed out, and I also have some jigs. I have some jigs here that I believe the channel is Guru 3D. He built one and I'm using his jigs, so that should help. So right now I'm gonna put my GoPro set up, do a little quick time lapse of me building the extrusions. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, it's a little bit of a mess, but I was recording some time lapses so you guys can check it out, the build process, but some of it was a little bit confusing because I was following one video, and one video was basically giving me 10 of these. I believe these are 440 millimeter extrusions. This guy had 440 millimeter extrusions, and he used them all around, so they were a little bit different than the kit I got. So the kit I got, these I believe are 410, and these are 440. And basically I had it all set up, but I didn't have these bars here. I had these bars up here, and then I had it going from here to here. So essentially I saw how I still had these longer ones left over, so I put them on top over here and here, and I was able to slide these down. So I had to redo that. And right now I have the bed. I'm putting some of the printed parts on there, but I do have a 430 millimeter extrusion right here, and it said it's for the dual Z, and I am going to be running dual Z, but I don't understand what this here is supposed to be, because I don't understand if it's doesn't make sense. I don't know where I'm going to actually be putting this, because this is going to be too large for here. And with dual Z, I'm basically going to be fine, because I'll just have a motor on one side, motor on the other side. And then I could just either put them, I could put the top parts on here or on here. And yeah, this is basically what I have so far. I use 3D Guru's jigs over here, and then the only space that I gave up here, down here on the bottom, is actually whatever this space here. I believe this might be 10 millimeters, but essentially that's all I gave, and there's no tapping all around, pretty solid, no wobble. So far this is pretty good. I'm gonna wait up and see if I'm gonna be able to get any other parts coming in soon. I did order some parts here in the States and some parts from China, so I'm gonna wait to do the next part, the next building process. So for right now, this is what I have. So if you guys have any questions, leave in the comments below, and I'll link everything that I got so far. I'm gonna be linking it in the description. And like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys are interested in anything else in the future.